Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our last lesson for Heron's formula. That is, we are going to discuss the last two sums of exercise 12.2. That is question number 8 and question number 9. Question number 8 says, a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of the triangle being 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So, we have one triangle as like this. The longest side is 35 centimeter, then we have 28 centimeter and the shortest side is 9 centimeter. Whether it is shaded or unshaded, total there are 16 tiles. So first we have to find the area of one tile, then we have to find the area of 16 tiles, and then we have to find the cost of polishing these 16 tiles. So let us see how to solve such sums. So we have lengths of the sides of the triangle as 35, 28 and 9. So let them denote as A, B and C. And to find the area of such triangles, first we need to find the semi-perimeter to use it in a Heron's formula. So S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2, which is equals to 35 plus 28 plus 9 by 2, which will give us 36 centimeter. So area of one triangular tile is root under S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is equals to root under 36 into 36 minus 35, 36 minus 28 and 36 minus 9, which will give us root under 36 into 8 into 27. If we break them in primes, we can write 36 as 6 into 6, 8 can be written as 2 into 4 and 27 can be written as 3 into 9. So out of it 6, 4 and 9 can come out of the root. So we will get 6 into 2 into 3. As 4 when it comes out from the root it will become 2, and when 9 comes out from the root it will become 3. And under root we will have 6. So we have 36 root 6. Now the value of root 6 is 2.45. So if we multiply 36 with 2.45, we will get 88.2 centimeters square. So this is the area for one tile. Now area for 16 such tiles will be 16 into 88.2 centimeters square. We have to find the cost of polishing 16 tiles. So now the cost of polishing 1 centimeter square is given as 50 paise. That is equals to rupees 0.050. Now total cost of polishing the floral design will be 16 tiles were there. Each tile was of 88.2 centimeters square and cost of polishing 1 centimeter square is 0.50. So cost of polishing 16 such tiles will be multiplied by 0.50. On multiplying all these three numbers, we will get 705.60 rupees. So this is the cost of polishing 16 tiles of the floral design at the rate 0.50 paise. So this is how question number 8 is being solved. Now let us see how question number 9 is being solved. A field is in shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 centimeter and 10 centimeters. So we have a trapezium and the parallel sides are 25 and 10. So this is 10 centimeter and the bottom is 25 centimeter. The non-parallel sides are 14 and 13 centimeter. Find the area of the field. So we have to find the area of the trapezium. So let us see how to solve this kind of sums. So here is the figure. ABCD is a trapezium where AB is parallel to CD, and BC and DA are the non-parallel sides. So here we will do one construction, that is, we will join CF or make a line CF which is parallel to DA and CG which is perpendicular to AB. So two new construction, one is CF and one is CG. CG, the point G is perpendicular to AB and CF is parallel to DA. Now first thing we will do is to find the area for the triangle, that is for triangle BCF. Here the sides are 15, how the bottom part is 25. So if CF is parallel, we get a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram, this part. And if CD is 10, then AF is also 10. Total was 25, so if we subtract it, we will get 15. One side of the parallelogram was 14 and CF is parallel to DA, so this side becomes 13. So now we have the sides CF as 15, CB as 14 and BF as 15, CB as 14 and CF as 13. Now with Heron's formula, we are going to find the area of the triangle. First, to use Heron's formula, we need to find semiperimeter. So to find S, we will write A plus B plus C by 2, that is the sum of the sides divided by 2. So we will have 15 plus 14 plus 13 by 2, which is equals to 21. Now we will find the area. So we have the formula root under S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we have root under 21 into 21 minus 15, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 13, which will give us root under 21 into 6 into 7 into 8. So if we break them into primes, we will get 3 into 7 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 4. So you can see all the numbers are in pairs. 7 can come out, 2 can come out, 3 can also come out, and 4 can come out as 2, as it is a prime of 2. So we have 7 into 2 into 3 into 2, which will on multiplication will give us 84 meters square. So this is the area of the triangle. Now this triangle BCF, we have a right angle triangle and we can find the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides to use it in the formula of area of trapezium. So to find out the perpendicular, that is CG, we can use half base into height. Area of triangle BCF is 84. Half base is BF and height is CG. BF we know the value, that is 15. CG we need to find a perpendicular distance. So using it, if we subject CG, then we will get 84 into 2 into 15. Now 84 is a factor of 3 as well as 15 is a factor of 3. So if we cancel it, we will get 5 at the denominator and 84 can be written as 26. So we will have 26 into 2, which is equals to 54 divided by 5, and we will get 52 divided by 5, so we will get 11.2 meter as the height as CG. So now we have the value of CG as 11.2. Now we can find the area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium is half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. Now half into 25 plus 10 is the sum of the parallel sides, and the distance between them, that is the perpendicular distance, is 11.2. So if we add them up, and we will get 196 meters square as the area of trapezium. Hence the area of the field becomes 196 meters square. So this is how we find or solve or find an area for a trapezium. So I hope these two sums is easy, and this tutorial makes it easy for you to understand. Thank you.